Okay, so remember, what we do is we lift up the bit nearest to us and come over the top. Okay, press down a bit, lift it up, roll it over a bit more, press down again. Okay, and then up again and roll once more, and then just press it all together, and hopefully when we unroll, there we go, another one. Right, so what we're going to do at the moment, oh dear, that glass is in the way, or that little cup, can't remember what they're called now, I think we even know. Need to just move that out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move that roll over there, out of my way. And I'll get myself a cup there. Oops, what am I doing? And now what we're going to do is we're going to peel an avocado. Okay? So, you probably don't want to sit and watch me peel an avocado. So, I'm going to do that while you go and have whatever it is that you're imbibing tonight.